Hi guys, in this video we are going to see all the traversals of a binary tree. Okay, so basically there are three type of traversals in binary tree: pre-order, in order, and post order. Okay, so pre-order shows that we will do some work before calling its left child and right child. In order says I will call my left child, then I will do some work, and then I will call my right child. Okay. Post order traversal shows that I will call my left child, then I will call my right child, and then I will do some work. In this question, our work is simply just to print the element. Okay. Just to print the node value. Okay. So how this works? Firstly, let me write the pre-order, in order, and post order of this binary tree. Okay, so we will move. This is I will follow all these conditions. Okay, in pre-order, I will do some work. Our work is to print. Firstly, I will do some work, so I will print 50. Then I will call my left. Okay, I will call my left. Then I am at 25. Then I will print 25. Okay, then I will call my left and I will print 12. Okay, now the left of 12 is null, so I will not do anything. Now I get back from its left child. Okay, I called, this is in order. This is in order. How is it in order? Firstly, I was calling left, then left, then left. Left is null, so I got returned. And then after that, I get back to 12. From 12, I get back to 12. Okay, so this says that I am at in order. Okay, just see how this line is moving. This line is moving in this way. When this is moving in this way, I was printing in pre-order. And when I get back to 12, I was printing 12 in order. Okay, because left call is done. Left call is done. Now I have to do some work. Then I will call my right. Right is also null. So I don't have to do anything. Now I get back to 12. Again I get back to 12. This will print in post order. This will be printed in post order because firstly I was moving left, then left, then left. Okay, so I was printing in pre-order. After that I got back to 12, then I printed in order, then I called my right child is null, then I get back again to 12. So left call is done, right call is done, then I need to do some work. The work is to print, then I printed in post order. Then I get back up, I get back to 25. This is first time I get back to 25. Okay, firstly I move down, then I get back to 25 first time. So I will print in order. Okay, then I will call my right. Then I will call my right. I am calling my right. Okay, so 37 will get printed in pre-order. Why it will get printed in pre-order? Because just see this trick. If we are visiting the element for the first time, then I will print in order. If I am visiting that element second time, then I will print in, oh sorry, not in order, it is pre-order. Okay, not in order, it is pre-order. When I am visiting the node first time, I will print in pre-order. When I am visiting the node second time, then I will print in order. And when I am visiting the node third time, then I will print in post order. Okay, so this is the trick. I'm going to follow this trick. Okay, so let me do this again. We will do this again by following this trick. Okay, so just remove all these and just again. Firstly, pre, in, and post. Okay, now we are visiting 50 for the first time. I am printing 50. We are visiting 25 for the first time. 25. I'm visiting 12 for the first time, 12. Okay, now left is null. I get back to 12. This is 12 second time. Second time I'm visiting 12. So 12 will get printed here. Now the right child call, right is null. Get back to 12. 12 is visited third time. So 12. Okay. Now get back to 25. 25 is visited second time. So 25. After that 37. 37 is visited first time. We are visiting 37 for the first time. So we write in pre-order. After that we get to 30. 30 is visited first time. Left child is null. Get back to 30 and print in order. After that right child call, right is null. Get back to 30, print in post order. After that get back to 37. Okay, so we are again at 37. We visited 37 while going down. Okay, now we are visiting 37. So 37 will get second time. This is second time. So we will print 37 here. After that right call of 37, which is null. Get back to 37 again. So 37 will get printed here. Okay, now going 25. 25 is visited third time. So 25. Okay, 50. 50 is visited second time. So in order. Okay, now 75 is visited first time. 75. After that 62 is visited first time. 62. Now 62. Left of 62 is null and get back to 62. So 62 is visited second time. So in order. Okay. Now 70. 70 is visited first time. Left is null. Get back to 70. Right 70. Okay. Right is null. Get back to 70. Right 70. Okay. Get to 62. We visited 62 third time. This is third time we are visiting 62. So write in post order. After that get back to 75 second time. Okay. Now 87. 87 is visited first time. 87. Left is null. Get back to 87. 87. Right is null. Get back to 87. Right 87. 75 is visited third time. So write 75. And 50 is visited third time. So write 50. So this is how we are going to print our pre, in and post order. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all nodes are visited in all of these traversals. Okay. So how we are going to do this? We will follow this thing. We will follow exactly this thing. Okay. So for pre-order, we will do some work. Work is to print. So we will print, then we will call left, then we will call right. In pre-order, we will call our left, then we will print, then we will call right. And in post order, we will call left child, right child, then we will do some work. Okay. So now I am just implementing whatever I am saying. Okay. So now I am creating a function. Firstly, let me remove this. Okay. Now public static void, give it any name. Let's say traverse. Okay. I will require a root node from which I am going to start traversing. Okay. So in pre-order, what we are doing, system, firstly we will print. We will do some work, print element. Okay. Our work is to print current element, root dot data. And I will write here in pre-order. So this will show us that, yeah, this line is printing in pre-order. Now I will call my left. Okay. So I will call my left. How we are going to call our left traverse root dot left. So we called our left. Okay. Now let me just we need to start again. Google Chrome. Okay. Wait for some time. Yeah. So what we have to do, we need, okay, so we are printing something. Okay, so this is in pre-order. We have printed, we called our left. When left is called, after calling left, we need to do some work in order. After calling left, we have to do some work in order. After calling left, so this is left call. Okay, now we have to do some work. Okay, system dot out dot println root dot data plus we have to do some work. What work we are doing? In order. Okay, we have printed. Now we will call our right. We will call our right. Okay, now our right call has been done. Okay, we have called our right, so we don't have to do in order, nothing. We don't have to do anything in order. We don't have to do anything in pre-order. What we have to do is we have to print. After calling right child, we have to print in post order. Okay, we have to print in post order. System dot out dot println root dot data plus in post order. Okay, this is our post order. And there is one more condition. This is base condition in recursion. If our node is null, that is, we are present, our current position is null, so we can't call left node, right node, and we can't print root dot data. So basically what we have to do is we have to just return from that condition. Okay, now firstly let me run this code. We will call traverse root. Okay, let me check. Firstly we call left, right, printed in, yeah. Okay, so this is good. Let's run this code. The code is running, yeah. So our code is accepted. Let me copy this, go back to paste it. Where is it? Yeah, here. Okay, so you can see 15 pre-order, 15 pre-order. Okay, let me okay, 25 in pre-order, 15 pre-order, 15 pre-order, 25 in pre-order, 25 in pre-order, 12 in pre-order, 12 in pre-order. Okay, 12 in order, 12 in order, 12 in post order, 12 in post order. Okay, 25 in order, 25 in order, 37 in pre-order, 30 in pre-order, 37 in pre-order, 30 in pre-order, 30 in order, 30 in order, 30 in post order, 30 in post order, 37 in order, 37, where is it? 37 in post order, sorry, 37 in post order, 25 in post order, 25 in post order, 50 in order, 50 in order, 75 in pre-order, 75 in pre-order, 62, 62, 70 in pre-order, 70 in pre-order, 70 in order, 70 in order, 62, where is it? 17 post order, 17 post order, 62 in post order, 62 in post order, 75 in order, 75 in order, 87 in pre-order, post or pre-order. Okay, pre-order, 87 in pre-order, 87 in order, and it is exactly same. Okay, 87 in post order, 75 in post order, and what is this? This is 50 in post order. So this is exactly same. So this is how we are going to traverse a binary tree, and we are going to write pre-order, in order, and post order, all three traversals in a single recursion. Okay, so basically what you have to know is the trick that if you are visiting the node first time, then we have to print pre-order. If you are visiting the node second time, we have to write in order, and if you are visiting the node third time, we have to write in post order. So this is all about this problem. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.